Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be doing the second look with the Tati Beauty Palette Volume 1. I know this was called something Neutrals, but I can't find the name anywhere. It's not on this, it's not on the box. Maybe it's on my receipt, but I can't find that either. Anyway, you know what it looks like. And that's what we're doing. And I don't know what colors I'm going to use because it doesn't really have reds. I don't want to go with oranges. Maybe we'll do the browns. Yeah, we'll do the browns. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with our Essence Eye Base. Just spread this around. Get my sponge. Okay, and now I'm just going to take this lightest color in the Aura right here, and I'm just going to swish this over to set that that I just put on. And I just want to swish this everywhere I put that primer. Just so it's nice and smooth, and it just is so easy to blend on top of. Okay, done with that. Looks good. Now let's go into the this matte brown right here. Well, maybe we'll do the gold. We'll go into this one. I think I'm going to go into this metallic right here in the Ritual. This one right there. Oh, this one right there. And put that in my crease. Actually, I'm just going to put it all over my lid. So let's see. Let's take this brush. Make sure it's clean. And then just take this Ritual and go all over. Oh, wow, you know what? I moved my mirror the other day and it was pretty good, huh? And somehow it's moved back. So let's try and aim it in the middle here. I just have to keep my head up over the top of it. And I'm putting this all over my lid. I think I'm going to take my nails off and put short ones on for a little while. Just because I'm doing crafty things for Christmas. That's what the vlogs are about. And it's harder with long nails. All that glue gun stuff. It's so pretty. I think I might go back in and make it into a halo. Now I'm going to go into the brown one here in the Ritual. Actually, maybe I'll go into this one. It's the sequin of the Ritual in the, yeah, the sequin in the Ritual. Put that in my crease. I don't know if it's dark enough though, so I might have to go back. Oh, it looks good. It's pretty. What I'm going to do, though, is take this brush with the, what color did I, oh, I used this one. And I'm going to bring it up higher. This lighter color that I put on my lid. I like that. I'm going to do that first on this eye before I, ooh, some fallout. Oh, it brushed right off. Perfect. So I'm going to pull this up before I put the other one on this eye. This is the same thing I put all over my lid. The Ritual Metallic. So basically I'm using the Ritual line. And I'll show you in just a second what I'm talking about. Sometimes when you get ones that are like too soft and buttery, they gather in the lines. This one is not doing that because there's enough fallout to it that it's dry enough. And fallout doesn't bother me. I'd much rather have fallout that I can brush away than it gathering in the lines. Okay, now I am going to go into, this, the gold color in this line. Right there. Can you see? I'm doing this brown line. So this is the Ritual line. And the one that I started with was this one. That's what's all over my lid. And then I pulled it up as the transition. And then this one is the sequin. That's what I'm putting my crease. And now I'm going to put this gold in the center of my lid. And I'm going to try and use my finger since I'm only putting it in the center. Oh, it's pretty. I hadn't tried any of the glitter yet. And I love it. It is beautiful. Okay, I spread it out more than just a halo, so it's just kind of more of a topper. But it's still in the center. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm glad I picked the gold and brown to do. So pretty, so pretty. And with the glitter, I got practically no fallout. I got more fallout with the sequin. Now I'm going to go back in with the darkest brown in the Ritual line, the one I haven't used yet, and I am just going to pack a little of that in the outer corner. And I'm just going to keep it low and just pack it in there. Just like that. And then I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush that I started with, this one, and I'm just going to blend all that together. Blend the brown, all the browns, and the gold glitter. And then I'm going to take, this is what I put my foundation on with. See if I can get a line. I'm not putting anything on the bottom this time except mascara. I think it's beautiful. I am going to use the black in here or my liner because it's nice and black. It almost has a blue tint to it. It's so black. I really feel like I have more glitter on this eye, so I'm probably going to go back and put some more on that eye after I do this. I used to use shadow for my liner all the time. Of course, I would also wet it, but I don't want to ruin this pan by wetting it. Because I would have a dedicated shadow that I would always use as my liner. And so it didn't matter if the pan was wet because I didn't need it dry anymore. The only thing about this is it definitely gets on the bottom lash line, especially in the center. And I didn't want any black down there. So I'm going to have to go back in with concealer to fix that. And I didn't make a wing. Maybe I'll make a little bit of a wing at least. Just to give it some lift. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes, and I will be back. Okay, guys, I am back. This is our final look for our second look with the Tati palette. I am loving it. I am really loving it. It blends so well. I do get fallout, but it brushes right off, which is amazing. Usually whenever I get fallout, I'm just a glitter fairy that day. But it brushes right off. I'm loving it. I really am. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video.